It's Jordan. Welcome back to J Vlogs. Today I'm going to show you what I feed my both birds. So, here is the African lovebird food. It's a mixture of sunflower seeds, some groundnuts, some peas, and this is their water. And then this is the budgie food on top, and my African lovebirds are down. Yeah, I already put fresh water for them, so nothing to worry about that. I put like drinking water which I drink. Yeah, so let's put this in the cage and then see if they come close. Okay, Phoenix and Blue, I'm bringing food. Yeah, they're kind of scared though, but it's okay. Now they eat. They're very hungry right now. They will eat. Just wait for some time. I will show you guys. And then we'll put our budgie food into the budgie cage. And yeah, this is the budgie food. And then this is the budgie water where I put my birds water. I put drinking water only. Except of drinking water, I don't put anything else. Okay. What happens? No. Yeah. So now perfect. And then yeah, let me show you. These are sunflower seeds which my birds like. Now look at that, how cute. They just immediately come to eat. See? Yeah, they are hungry. So if you like this video, please hit a like button, subscribe, and if you're new here, hi, I make Bust and Bro content. If you want to see more, please subscribe. Thank you. Meet you in the next video.